There comes a moment in every life when staying the same costs more than changing everything. When the pain of who you are outweighs the fear of who you could become. This is that moment. Today you will learn how to disappear from the old you and reinvent yourself into someone the world has never seen before. Not tomorrow, not someday, now. Why reinvention matters. Everyone loves to say, just be yourself. But what they don't tell you is that not every self is worth keeping. Some versions of you were built in fear, built in pain, built by the expectations of people who never understood your mission. You don't owe loyalty to a broken identity. You owe it to yourself to evolve. Look at nature. The caterpillar doesn't apologize for becoming a butterfly. It disappears inside a cocoon quietly, silently, and when it returns, it's unrecognizable. David Goggins, Kobe Bryant, Jay-Z, each of them vanished at some point. They withdrew from the world, faced their own demons, and when they re-emerged, they were forces of nature. Disappearance isn't a weakness, it's a strategy, it's survival, it's evolution. Disappear strategically. Step 1, you must disappear, not to hide, but to reclaim yourself. First, digital disappearance. Get off the grid. Stop broadcasting your every move. Silence your online noise. Social media is a megaphone for your past. If you want a new life, stop screaming about the old one. Second, social disappearance. Step back from people who chain you to your old self. Negative friends, toxic family, energy leeches. The minute you start changing, watch who gets uncomfortable. Their discomfort is your compass. Third, mental disappearance. Leave behind your old thought loops. The I'm not good enough. The maybe next year. The what if I fail. Burn them to the ground. You must become a stranger to your old excuses. The world will notice your silence. Let them wonder. Let them talk. While you build, they'll still be stuck explaining. Craft your new identity. Now, with the noise gone, the real work begins. You are not here to fix the old you. You are here to build someone new. Define it, design it, decide it. Who is the future you? How do they move? How do they speak? What do they value? What time do they wake up? What habits do they guard with their life? Don't just fantasize, blueprint it. Use vision boards, use journals. Map it like your life depends on it, because it does. You can't stumble into greatness. You have to architect it. Every morning you must reintroduce yourself to your future, until one day you don't have to remind yourself anymore, because you are that version. Re-emerge with relentless purpose. And then when the work is real, when the foundation is unbreakable, you reappear. You don't reappear shouting. You reappear moving differently, thinking differently, commanding differently. Your presence will change the temperature of every room you enter. Your silence will say more than your words ever could. This new identity isn't built on hype. It's built on the invisible hours, the private sacrifices, the relentless discipline no one applauded. You didn't just change, you became a force. And when will the world finally notice? You won't need to explain, because your life results in your energy will speak so loudly they'll wonder if you ever left at all. You don't owe your past an explanation. You don't owe your old self a second chance. You owe yourself a future built in silence and revealed dominance. If you're ready to disappear and rebuild into the strongest version of yourself, hit that like button. Subscribe for more life missions from Alpha Quest, and comment Reinvented below if you're claiming your new path today. This isn't just motivation. This is Alpha Quest. Your evolution begins now.